Jeffrey Gundlach is a well-known American investor known for his financial knowledge and how to handle investments. Gundlach was born in the United States on October 30, 1959, and has had a very successful career. One of the wealthiest persons in finance, his net worth represents the value of all his assets and investments. Though exact numbers may change, Gundlach is thought to have a net worth in the billions. His wealth shows how well he understands market trends and how smartly he can choose investments. Gundlach has built a reputation over the years as a smart investor with a clear strategy and a good money manager. This piece details Jeffrey Gundlach's net worth, discussing his financial successes and what led to his wealth. What is Jeffrey Gundlach's net worth and salary in 2023? The Bond King, Jeffrey Edward Gundlach, co-founded DoubleLine Capital, a mutual fund company with over $140 billion in assets. As of 2023, Gundlach's net worth is estimated at $2.3 billion. His wealth primarily comes from his success in bond trading and delivering impressive returns for his clients. Even though his exact pay in 2023 is not known, it is known that he made $40 million per year in 2009. With the continued growth and success of DoubleLine Capital, his annual fixed income has likely increased since then. Jeffrey Gundlach overview. Why is Jeffrey Gundlach famous? Early life. Jeffrey Gundlach was born to Carol and Arthur Gundlach in Amherst, New York, on October 30, 1959. He grew up in a lower middle-class home in Buffalo, where he learned to work hard and understand the value of money. His father, a chemist for Pierce & Stevens Chemical Corp., and his mother, a teacher and homemaker, provided Jeffrey and his siblings with a stable upbringing. Gundlach's paternal grandfather, Emanuel, was a stockbroker who predicted the housing crash in 1929 and founded Wildroot Hair Cream, a successful hair tonic business. Jeffrey attended Dartmouth College, where he graduated summa cum laude in math and philosophy in 1981. He then attended Yale University, pursued a Ph.D. in mathematics but dropped out before completing the program. TCW Group. After graduating from Dartmouth College in 1981, Jeffrey Gundlach started working for TCW Group. After identifying bond market trends, he became co-manager of the TCW Total Return Bond Fund, which had $10 billion in assets. During his 24 years at the prestigious asset management company in Los Angeles, Gundlach gave the fund very good returns. From 1999 to 2009, it was in the top 2% of all intermediate-term bond funds. He even correctly predicted the subprime mortgage crisis in 2007, saving his clients from a crash in the housing market. Even though Gundlach was successful, he was fired from TCW in 2009 when the company bought Metropolitan West Asset Management, MetWest. He was accused of using marijuana, being sexually inappropriate, and taking trade secrets. DoubleLine. Jeffrey Gundlach founded DoubleLine Capital in 2009. As the firm's CEO and chief investment officer, Gundlach has led DoubleLine to manage over $92 billion in assets. The company's investment philosophy emphasizes security selection, trade execution, portfolio construction, sector allocation, and resourcing of personnel and systems. Under Gundlach's leadership, DoubleLine's Total Return Bond Fund gained 1.46% in the first 2 months of 1 year. He has been called the new Bond King on the cover of Barron's in 2011 and Money Manager of the Year by Institutional Investor in 2013. In 2012, 2015, and 2016, he was listed as one of the 50 most influential in Bloomberg markets. Gundlach's journey into finance began with an interview at TCW Group, where he started working in bonds despite initially wanting to work with stocks. Home burglary. Jeffrey Gundlach experienced a shocking home burglary in September 2012 while on a business trip. The thieves got into his Santa Monica home and took an over $20 million art collection, including paintings by Jasper Johns, Pete Mondrian, and others. The intruders stole Gundlach's red Porsche sports car, costly watches, exquisite wine, and artwork, totaling $3.2 million. Gundlach took things into his own hands to get his stolen art back. He told people about the theft and offered a reward of up to $1.7 million for information that led to the safe return of his art. In January 2013, 6 people were charged with the theft, including Darren Agee Marriger, who is thought to be the planner. Most of the stolen artwork was recovered from an auto sound shop in Pasadena, thanks to a tip received by the police. Personal life. Gundlach married Nancy Draper, a bassist in his former band Radical Flat, for over 20 years before they divorced in 2010. He lives next door to Stevie Nicks in a Tuscan-style house in Santa Monica, California. In a legal fight with his former employer TCW Group, the company said he kept drug paraphernalia, pornography, and sex toys in his office. Gundlach loves art, and his large collection shows it. At his Pacific Palisades home, he has a half-ton sculpture made of stainless steel by Anish Kapoor. After a burglary in 2012, he implemented a rotating six-man security detail to protect his property and art collection. FAQs about Jeffrey Gundlach. What is the primary source of Jeffrey Gundlach's wealth? Jeffrey Gundlach's fortune derives from his double-line capital investing firm's bond trading and client profits. Why is Jeffrey Gundlach called the Bond King? Barron's gave Jeffrey Gundlach the name King of Bonds in 2011 after he quickly beat out his rival bond fund managers. The title has since been shortened to Bond King. In conclusion, Jeffrey Gundlach's net worth shows his financial and investment management skills. Gundlach is wealthy because he understands markets and has a wise investment history. He is one of the richest people in the banking business because of how much money he has. Visit covemarkets.com if you want to learn more about the fascinating world of finance and investing. Finally, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe us to learn more interesting information about celebrities.